Maya na tayo magchika-chika guys ha. Kasi yung darling ko guys, pag naglalakad kami, gusto talaga niya na magkahawak hawak kamay. Gusto niya. Ano yan siya guys, panaying Constantino. Hawak kamay talaga guys. Diyan ako pupunta guys. So, Shellac Nails and Beauty. First time ko dyan guys.
What's that? Is that a dinosaur?
Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs.
No, dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs. What color is the dinosaur?
Dinosaurs.
What's the color of the dinosaur?
No, red dinosaurs.
Oh, that's red. Yeah, how about this? What color is this? Hi guys! Good morning! Magandang buhay! Welcome back to our channel guys. So, it is Saturday morning and as you can see, I've got makeup on guys kasi para magmukhang tao naman tayo guys. Oh, may pa-aura pa si ate guys. So, medyo maaga kami nagising guys kasi yung mama ni Mike pupunta dito ngayon, bibisitahin kami. Tapos, hindi ngayon guys, later on pa pa yun. Pero, may plano kasi kami ngayong umaga guys. So, first thing first, gusto kong ipagawa na yung mga kuko ko guys. Kasi tingnan nyo guys, oh, kapit lang best. Tingnan nyo na. Tingnan nyo to. Nabasag na guys. So, pupunta kami ngayon doon. Tapos, ang ganda ng araw sa labas guys. Like, seriously, it's sunny but it's only 22 degrees. But that is better than raining guys, right? So, a little bit of sun is good. But, andito ko ngayon sa, guys, sa beauty room ko. Kasi, kakatapos ko nga lang mag-makeup, guys. Tapos, may pakulot-kulot pang nalalaman sa atin nyo, guys. Kasi, nagka-time ako today. Pag weekday kasi, guys, nagtatrabaho ako. Tapos, I'm rushing na in the morning guys kasi nga kailangan ko pang i-ready yung sarili ko, kailangan ko pang i-ready si Paris. Kaya wala na akong time sa mga pa-curl, makeup na ganyan guys. Pero ngayon kasi Saturday, andito si Daddy guys. Kaya nag-ready si Daddy before me. Tapos nung ready na siya guys, then yun. He's looking after Paris na para matapos na ako guys sa aking mga pa-char-char. Kaya I'll show you my outfit guys. Please disregard all the mess kasi nga kakatapos ko lang. But here's my outfit. Parang ano lang siya guys. Parang maxi dress. Ganyan. Tapos naka-slides lang guys. Tapos ngayon, maghanap tayo ng bag na susuotin. Nababagay dito sa ating sinuot ngayon. Yan you guys. Oh, eye candy guys. No, this is my guys. Wall of fame. Wall of fame today, guys. Wall of eye candy, guys. I think dito yung gagamitin ko today, guys. Kasi, very, neutral lang ba? Yan yung box, guys. Oh, nire-ready ko pa yan, guys. Kasi, magpapadala ako sa Pinas again ng box kasi ang dami ng mga dito guys, mga gamit dito sa bahay na hindi ko na ginagamit ba. Kaya ipapadala ko na. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Very shiny si Teta. May pa-highlight pang nalalaman. So ito lang yung outfit natin today guys. Tapos, aalis na kami guys. I think si Daddy gusto niyang lakad lang daw kami doon kasi hindi naman kami masyadong malayo. Pero, I'm not sure guys kasi darating yung mami niya. Baka parang tayo sa time ba? Ma-short tayo sa time guys. So, baka mag-drive ako. Ewan ko guys, I'll see how we go paglabas ko dito. I-off ko na yung ooh, ang galam. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. 11:06, may message pa yung mama ko guys. Paris, ayun na yung mama ko mag-message guys. Wala na siyang pakialam sa akin guys. Wala siya, bahala ka sa buhay mo. Ang gusto lang niya guys, yung anak ko. Labas na tayo. Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
And this is Daddy, guys. Pakita natin yung outfit ni Daddy. Here, Daddy, oh, because it's bright. Here's Mike. Oh, pa-outfit na natin ng mabuti, guys. Show your outfit, Daddy. Where's your shirt from?
Cotton on.
Cotton on. And your jeans?
I got them on, what's the website?
ASOS.
ASOS. Yeah, that's right.
ASOS. There. Bonga. Where's the shoes from?
From a pirate ship. A sailor ship.
What?
A sailor ship.
A sailor ship.
A sailor ship. Let's go, Doctor. She's in the pram.
Oh, is she in the pram now? Magpabango din tayo, guys, para hindi naman tayo mabaho dun sa ano. Sa labas na kami, guys. Very nice day. Very sunny. Which is good. I think bukas, it's 30, kita nila, 31 degrees yata bukas. Tapos maulan na after that. Kaya, we're taking advantage of the weather, guys. Ang ganda ng mga bahay dito, guys. Anyways, ang lalaki. Yung mga sasakyan nila dito, guys, ayan nyo, guys, so, BMWs, guys, sa labas. Bongga. Ayan, guys, so, lalaki ng mga bahay. Anyways, guys, papagawa ko rin yung kuko ko sa ano, guys, sa paa. Kasi ang tagal na talaga nito, guys. Yan yung tubo, guys, oh. Tapos sa kamay rin. Sobrang gastos talaga, guys, pag marami kang arte. Daghan arte, guys. But kaya nga nagtatrabaho ako, guys, eh. Very hard. Para may pambayad sa mga luho, guys. So guys, mamaya na tayo magchika-chika, guys, ha, kasi yung darling ko, guys, pag naglalakad kami, gusto talaga niya na magkahawak hawak kamay. Gusto niya, yan siya, guys, funny yung Constantino, hawak kamay talaga, guys. So mamaya na tayo magchika-chika, guys, para straight yung chika natin. Kasi ngayon, gusto niyang hinahawakan ko talaga siya, guys. Very, yan siya, guys, very romantic. Kaya maglalakad muna kami, guys, ha? Kasi sabi niya, guys, enjoy muna namin yung sun, yung walking, yung fresh air. So, ganun yan siya, guys. Very, tawag nito? Touchy ba, guys? Which I find very, guys, very sweet. So, magbabay muna ako, guys, ha? See you guys later. Bye! Diyan ako pupunta, guys. So, Shellac Nails and Beauty. First time ko dyan, guys. We'll see how it goes. So, guys, first time ko magpapagawa dyan, guys. Kasi, first time ko magpagawa ng kuko dito sa new area namin. Kasi, diba, before, kami, West Footscray. Ngayon, Mount Beverly na kami, guys. Kaya, are you liking Mount Beverly, Daddy? Tapos, nag-search ako, guys, sa, nag-google ako kung best place for SNS nails. Tapos, sila yung nagpapap, guys. Ang daming positive reviews, kaya, dyan ako pupunta. Guys, fully booked sila. My bad, hindi ako nag-book, guys. Nag-walk-in. Nag-walk-in lang ako, guys. Akala ko very special person ako, guys. So, binigyan nila ako ng card, tapos sabi nila mag-book na lang daw online. Yung available nila guys, mamayang hapon pa, 4 o'clock pa daw. That's how good they are guys. They're really fully booked. So I said, I'm not gonna book na guys. Pupunta na lang ako sa ibang, sa ibang nail salon. Kasi meron naman dun sa harapan din eh. Pero, yun nga lang. Ewan ko kung magaling ba sila o hindi. But, I'll give it a try guys. Give them a benefit of a doubt. Guys, dyan sana ako pupunta. Teka muna guys. Dadaan muna, dadaan. Doon sana ako pupunta guys. Yun yung, yung alternative ko. Pero, si Mike guys, alam niya talaga ako. Kasi alam niya guys, yung pag gusto kong magpagawa ng something, hair or nails or whatever, alam niya guys na yung gusto ko yung I think na the best talaga. Kasi alam niya na pag hindi ko nagustuhan guys, papaayos ko, tapos mas mamahal daw yung gagastusin ko guys. Kaya sabi niya, just wait. Kasi yung place talaga na originally na gusto kong puntahan guys, wala silang time ngayon, but they can do it at 4 o'clock ngayong hapon. Tapos sabi ni Mike, ibubuk ko na lang daw yun. Maghihintay daw siya daw yung mag-aalaga muna kay Paris guys. Tapos kaysa naman daw anong tawag guys? Uy, anong Tagalog nito guys? Regret ba guys? Kaya uy, sa tunnel tayo guys. Ang dilim. Kaya maghihintay na lang ako guys mamayang hapon para doon talaga ako sa nail salon na gusto kong puntahan guys. So, bumili na lang kami ng hot drinks guys. So, I am having hot chocolate and that is having an almond. What are you having, Eddie? Latte. Almond latte. Tapos, may library dyan guys. So, sa harap lang ng train station. Kasi yung mama niya guys, she's catching the train from Ballarat to here guys. Tapos, dito na lang siya bababa. Tapos dyan kami maghihintay sa kanya sa guys, sa library. So, yeah guys, update ko na lang kayo mamaya kung anong gagawin ko. But, guys, suot ko pa rin yung very old nails ko guys. I can't wait to get it done guys, seriously. I'm so sick of it, like, catching my hair all the time guys. Tsaka guys, nahihiya na ako guys kasi yung mga tao pinagtitinginan ako guys. So, pinagawa ng babaeng to. Anyways guys, andun na sa daddy guys. So, naghihintay. So, I'll see you again guys later guys ha. Bye!
Where's the rabbit? Where's the rabbit? Where? Where? Rabbit. Yay, good girl. High five.
Well done, honey.
High five. Boom. Give me...
Na-excite siya guys. So, ito yung library dito guys. Mount Beverly Library.
Where is the water? Water. Where's the beach? Water. Water. Ha. That's a owl. Guys, look. Water.
It's very hard to daddy. It's very hard to see. That's water.
Water. Alright, Paris. Where is...
Nak, show mama the bear. Where's the panda bear?
Good girl.
Great job. Where's the flower? Flower. Woohoo!
What's this
Well
one?
done. What's this one? What's this?
What's
that?
What's that?
What's that? Anak, what's that ba?
What's that?
Duck!
It is a duck inside.
Where's the duck?
Inside.
Daka.
What's that?
Daka lang ah.
Daka.
What's that? Is that a dinosaur?
Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs.
Look, dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs. What color is the dinosaur?
Dinosaurs.
What's the color of the dinosaur?
Look, dinosaurs.
Oh, that's red. Yeah, how about this? What color is this? What color is this?
Look.
Ah, way claro. What do you say? What do you say?
Peace.
Please. Go. So guys, andito tayo ngayon sa library. Ito yung bag ko today, guys. Oh, diba? Ang ganda, guys. I really love it. Pero yun na nga, guys, sabi ko, ang dami nating wants tsaka likes sa life, guys. So, kaya nagtatrabaho ako ng very, very hard. Kasi ang dami nating guys, ang dami nating gusto. Kaya nga ang tawag dito, kaya nga mahirap talaga, guys, mag-stop sa work kasi ang daming babayarin, tsaka on top of that, may mga gusto ka pang bilhin para sa sarili mo, guys. Kasi ako yung taong guys, yung bang ayaw kong anong Tagalog nun, guys? Yung magsalig pa, guys. Kasi hindi ako nanghihingi kay daddy, guys. Yung mga yung mga gamit ko, lahat ako bumibili nun, guys. Pag nagpapagawa ako ng kuko, ng buhok or anything, ako yun, guys, kasi nga ayokong rely ba, guys, sa ibang tao. Hindi naman ibang tao sa akin si daddy, guys, kasi naman, 'di ba, partner ko siya. Pero minsan nga, guys, it's good na parang yung feeling na what's the word, parang independent ka, guys, yung nagagawa mo lahat ng gusto mong gawin kasi hindi ka parang meron ka sa sarili mo, 'di ba? So it's a good feeling, guys, yung ganun. Pero naman, yung minsan hindi ako nanghihingi sa kanya, pero alam niya pag may yung mga occasion, guys, tinatanong niya ako kung anong gusto ko, binibilhan niya ako ng mga gamit, guys. Pero not to the point na ako talaga yung nanghihingi. Pero minsan tinatanong niya ako, guys, kung anong gusto ko, hindi talaga yung siya ang bumibili. Kasi iba si daddy, guys. Gusto niya yung pag binilhan niya ako ng something, gusto niya na gamitin ko. Kasi there's one time, guys, na binilhan niya ako ng something, ng relo. Binilhan niya ako ng Michael Kors na na relo. Tapos hindi ko sinusuot, guys, kasi more on gold ako, guys, tingnan niyo. More on gold ako, kaya hindi ko suot-suot yung jewelry na yung relo na yun. Kaya since then, guys, pag may occasion, pag birthday or anniversary or anything like that, tinatanong niya ako, guys, kung anong gusto ko, para kung anong bibilhin niya talagang gagamitin ko, guys. Hindi yung ma-stock lang doon sa wardrobe ko, guys, hindi ginagamit. Pero yeah, yun lang, guys. I think malapit na yung mama niya, guys. Kasi yung train, wala daw, hindi daw nag-work yung train to Mount Beverly ngayon. Kaya nag-bus na lang yung mami niya, guys. So, iwan ko kung makakapag-vlog ako mamaya andito yung mama niya. Maybe, hindi kasi nahihiya ako, guys, ayaw kong Pero, update ko na lang kayo mamaya, guys, ha? See you soon. Hi, guys. Kakauwi lang namin, guys. Si Paris tulog na sa prop. Tapos, nandito na rin yung, yung mother dear ni Mike. So, it's currently 2:51, guys, ng hapon. Tapos yung appointment ko para sa kuko ko, guys, is 4:30. So, malapit lang naman i-drive yun, guys. I think it's only like 8 to 10 minutes drive. So, yeah, stay muna ako dito sa bahay, guys. Nanood lang muna ng TV. Daddy. Hi, guys, again. So, time check, guys. It's 4:25 and I'm just in front of the nail salon, guys. So, hindi na ako makapaghintay, guys, na maayos na tong kuko ko, guys. But, ayun na, guys. Too bright. Yeah, that's where I'm going. Tapos, sama ko kayo, guys. I don't think makakapag-vlog ako sa loob, guys, kasi nga, di ba, gagawin yung mga kuko ko, guys. So, I can't hold my camera. Pero, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya, guys, yung result sa season, guys. Hi again, guys. So, kakapark ko lang sa labas ng bahay. Time check is 6:01 ng gabi. Tapos, guys, have a look at my nails. Very pink tayo ngayon, guys. Finally. So, ayan na, guys. So, I went to Shellac. Yan yung pangalan ng ano nila, ng shop nila, guys. So, sa ano lang sila, guys, sa Stevenson's Road, Mount Waverly. I'm going to put their website in the description box below, guys, para if ever nandito kayo sa Melbourne tapos gusto nyong maghanap ng magandang nail place, guys, I can recommend them highly enough kasi ang ganda ng ginawa nila, guys. Normally, I'm a person na very hard to please, pero I'm very happy with what they've done, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh, I like the shape and also I like the color, and most of all, guys, the experience. I think they are all friendly. Like they're Vietnamese and Cambodian, but guys, they are very friendly. Like they talk to me until I'm out the door. Because some nail salon, guys, parang hindi sila nag-ano, guys, yung parang wala silang pakialam yung pagpasok mo. Ano sila, yung ginagawa lang nila yung work nila, tapos hindi ka nila kinakausap. But this salon is iba, guys. So, I recommend them, guys. You should visit them kasi very busy din sila, guys. So, make sure pag pumunta kayo, you make a booking. Tapos, guys, ginawa ko rin pala yung yung sa paa ko, guys. I'll show them to you. Come on na, guys. So, ito yung sa paa ko, guys. Dito tayo para karong-karo yung color, guys. Oh, diba? Pink na pink din, guys. Tingnan nyo. Barbie pink. So, pink na pink tayo ngayon, guys. Tingnan nyo rin sa kamay ko. Oh. Uy, bakit ayaw mag-focus, guys? Ayan. So, super pink. Ayan yung kulay niya. But that's about it for today's video, guys. Iniwan ko lang muna yung sasakyan dyan kasi baka lalabas pa kami mamaya. We'll see. Pero, i-end ko na yung vlog dito, guys, kasi it's family time na, guys. Kasi para kay daddy, maano na naman yun siya. Sabihin niya, wala na naman akong time para sa kanya. But, I hope na-enjoy nyo, guys. I hope na-enjoy nyo yung video natin today. At saka, if may mga request kayo, guys, artista? Hindi, guys, wag may request lang kayo, guys. Let me know kasi try natin gawin. But I really appreciate your time watching my videos, guys. As always, I'm very grateful. But yeah, I hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye. Hello. Open the door for me. Whoa! Hello? Hello? Kiss mommy. Shh, shh. Kiss mommy. Ang sarap na yung klimpit na.